Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting essentials in place. Make sure your Apple TV and home router are compatible with a router-level VPN or smart DNS. Sign up for a reputable VPN and save your login details. Once done, pick a method. Install the VPN on your router, use a pre-configured VPN router, or plan to share a VPN connection from a Mac or PC to the Apple TV. This choice determines the detailed steps that follow. Now configure the chosen host. On a compatible router, install the provider app or enter OpenVPN/IKEV2 settings and push the connection live so all devices, including Apple TV, route through it. If you share from a Mac or PC, connect that machine to the VPN first, then enable internet sharing to broadcast the secured network. Make sure Apple TV joins that network. Also adjust Smart DNS. Finish up by joining the Apple TV to the VPN-enabled network and restarting the device so settings take effect. Launch the streaming app you want and try playback to confirm the region trick worked. Verify your public IP or region if needed. If something fails, reboot the router and Apple TV, re-enter VPN credentials, try a different server, and clear the app cache. This single troubleshooting step resolves most connectivity or geolocation mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.